if you're planning on creating centerpieces, you may want to explore options like a worthwhile investment. Don't overlook the fact that the bridal party will need to. As we all know, weddings can be quite expensive. With the holidays are just around the corner, many of us are excited about the opportunity to save some big bucks during the sales. In this video, I will be sharing some items that you could snatch up during the sales even if you haven't finalized your wedding theme or venue yet. If you're planning to DIY your wedding flowers, this video is for you. Let's dive right in, starting with silk flowers. Focus on small and medium-sized common wedding flowers like spray roses, ranunculus, carnations, in elegant ivory white or cream color. These flowers are popular choices for weddings and can be versatile for various themes and styles. Once you determine your color theme, you can always buy your focal flowers and fill the flowers in other colors that you like. And let's not forget about foliage. Often overlooked in DIY wedding flowers, green foliage adds a natural and lush touch to your flower arrangements. Opt for versatile options like eucalyptus, like the spiral ones like this, or the seated eucalyptus like this. I recommend steering clear of silver dollar eucalyptus as they can be quite challenging to use in bouquets for beginners. Other readily available options are Italian ruscus, lemon leaf, and leather fern. They are not just great in bouquets, but also perfect for centerpieces and swags. Whenever possible, purchase your flowers and foliage with long stems as it provides more flexibility when arranging. Next on the list are the essential tools for working with silk flowers. You will need floral wires, typically the 26 gauge, for wiring your flowers. Grab a couple of green floral tapes, and wire cutting pliers, a worthwhile investment. Just keep your kitchen scissors in the kitchen, please. Cutting wires with them will dull the blades in no time. And a good pair of kitchen scissors can be expensive, so please spare them from cutting wires. Anyway, let's carry on. In some cases, you might want to use zip ties to hold your flowers together, and a hot glue gun will come handy for fixing any falling petals or leaves. And don't forget to stock up on glue sticks for the hot glue guns as well. Oh hey, before I forget, I got to tell ya, I've been working on something really big and exciting for you. Whether you're designing wedding flowers for yourself or someone special, it's gonna be a game changer. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the button now so you won't miss out. Moving on to accessories. Don't overlook the fact that the bridal party will need to wear flowers. Make sure to have pins or clips for bottlenecks, and it's always handy to have small safety pins on hand for any last minute needs on the big day. Speaking of bottlenecks, don't forget about the finishing touches. Ribbon is a fantastic item to consider, especially if you have determined your color theme. Opt for ribbons that are 3/8 of an inch wide for bottlenecks and ribbons that are an inch wide for wrapping your bouquets. It will add an elegant touch to your floral arrangements. Now let's talk about adding some extra flair to your wedding. Petals can play a significant role in creating a romantic atmosphere. Consider getting artificial petals for the magic exit tours and charming table decorations. If you already have a color theme in mind, you can find petals in matching shades. However, don't underestimate the timeless elegance of classic white petals, which always look stunning on camera. Now, if you're planning on creating centerpieces, you may want to explore options like EPE foam blocks or pool noodles to secure your flowers inside the vessels of your choice. If you prefer to avoid using foam, you can use chicken wire or pipe cleaners to create little pillows that will hold your flowers together. And if you already know your theme, it's also a great idea to pick up some vases to showcase your floral arrangements. If you're still in the process of selecting a wedding color theme, make sure to check out my video, Effortlessly Pick Your Wedding Color Palette, where I will guide you in selecting a color palette for your special day, minus the confusion of color theory. You can click here to get to that video. If you've watched that already, check out this one because the YouTube algorithm believes it's best suited for you right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.